In this video, you'll learn how to wrap text around an image in Mailchimp. This process will enhance the visual appeal of your emails by integrating images seamlessly with your content. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Mailchimp URL. Once the page loads, you will see the Mailchimp logo and various options for account access. If you are not signed in, you may need to enter your credentials to access your Mailchimp dashboard. After signing in, locate the Create button on the dashboard. This button is typically positioned prominently near the top of the interface. Clicking Create will lead you to a new page where you can select various types of campaigns or content. Next, select Landing Page from the options provided. This choice will direct you to a new screen specifically for creating landing pages. You will notice a layout that allows you to choose from different templates and customization options. Once on the landing page screen, look for the Begin button and click it. This action takes you to the template selection area where you can choose the type of landing page you want to create. Pay attention to the available templates as they will dictate the layout of your page. After selecting a template, click on Select Lead Generation. This step is crucial as it allows you to create a landing page intended for collecting leads. The interface will update displaying the selected template along with editing tools and options. Now find the image and text block in the options provided. Select this block and drag it to the center of your landing page. This positioning is important to ensure that the text and image are displayed together effectively. Next, click on the Browse button to upload an image. This button is usually located within the image block settings. After clicking, a file selection dialog will appear, allowing you to choose an image from your computer. Once the file selection dialog is open, navigate to the location of your desired image. Keep in mind that larger images may take longer to upload, depending on your internet speed. Selecting a file will prompt the interface to show a preview of the image. After choosing an image, click on it to confirm your selection. This action will embed the image into your landing page layout. You will see the image appear within the designated area of your template. Now click on the Insert button to finalize the image edition. This step is essential as it confirms your choice and integrates the image into the design. You should see a confirmation message indicating the successful insertion of the image. Following this, click on the text box within the template. This action allows you to edit the text that will wrap around your image. Ensure that the text box is active before proceeding to type your desired content. Finally, type the text you want to appear alongside the image. This text will be displayed in the area surrounding the image, creating a cohesive look. Review your layout to ensure that the text wraps neatly around the image as intended. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.